Alright, I want to apologize. My battery on my camera died on me. And so I was doing the carving and I didn't realize it had died. It doesn't have an alarm on it. So what happened is it died on me and I wasn't filming. So, alright, anyway, I'm going to show you what I did, okay? I went ahead and did the wings, and I'm sorry. I thought I was filming, and I didn't. So, it's not that hard. What I did with the wings is I had them all the way I wanted them, and I just drew these little wings on here, okay? I just drew them here, and here, and then I used my V tool, and I just did the wings on here, and I did it on this one, I did it on this one, and see the different layers. That's why we had the different layers of wings, so that we would do the V2, that we would put the wings on here, just like I'm doing right here, and that's all I did. It wasn't all that much. And then I put the eye on it, which I came up here by the beak, and I just drew like a little triangle. And I took my knife and I went inside the little triangle and made the eye. That's all I did, just like that. Now, just have to, then all I did was just round this off just a little bit more. I really apologize for that. I'm sorry that, but I mean, basically you've got the general idea of, since this is one-sided, I brought the beak down a little bit more. There. See where it really turns out real thin. And that's why I say it's a little ornament that you can hang. Now, I noticed, even though I had the grain going this way, there's a lot of places like up in here where the wood really would grab. So you want to make sure now in doing this piece, you want to make sure of your watch your grain, and when your knife begins to pull, when it begins to stop on you, go the other way. And so that is what I am so sorry that every once in a while, I mean, this turned out to be, I cut myself on this video, and it died. The battery died on me. So even though this is a wonderful little project, I'm not gonna. But really, it's just very simple. As you can see, all I did was to indicate the different layers here. Okay, that's why I indicated to come in there and make a layer here and a layer here. So when I put the wings on there, it looks like that, one's underneath the other. One's fitting underneath the other. So that's all. It's not, you already saw how I begin to layer this thing anyway. And I'm just removing a little bit of wood in here. But this is basically, let me go ahead and wet him and show him what this looks like. Okay, so there's the little cardinal, and like I said, the only thing that I did different in this video was I just added the eye, which is just a little triangle by the beak here, and I just took my V tool and added the wings to it. And if you've got them layered, then that's no problem. That's just and it just supposed to kind of end up looking like this. It's real thin, as you say. So there's our little cardinal. There he is. And he's done now. In fact, let me Where's my little V tool? Whoops. I want to add one more little place. This little place right in here looks a little bit bare. So I'm going to just kind of whoop, add another little wing on there. And you want to be careful now because there we go. Little wing on there. And that's it. That's your little cardinal that we have here. And you can put a little eye bolt, and we'll paint him, put a little eye bolt, and then hang him up from outside or whatever, and that's a cute little folk art ornament. Okay, well, I'll get into the other project. I'll show you the bird, the other cardinal that I did that once it's glued.